Hello, very good morning to all the students. So welcome you all. Feel always fresh. So let us start with our new topic, which is known as what? Demultiplexer. Okay. Start with demultiplexer. Okay. Also known as a what? Decoder. Okay. Decoder. So it performs the reverse operation of the multiplexers. Okay. In multiplexer, what we are having only one multiple inputs and one output. But here we are having one input and multiple outputs. Okay. So that input we can send to any of the channels. Okay. So let us start with what is a demultiplexer. It performs the reverse operation of a multiplexer. Okay, that is, it receives one input and distributes it over several outputs. Okay, at a time only one output is selected. At a time only one output is selected by the select lines. Okay, so again the formula is what? N equals to 2 raised to m. So n is what? Output. M is what? Select lines. Okay, so let us start see with the block diagram. D in only means data inputs. Okay, and this is what? Enable. E stand for what? Enable pin, strobe pins. Okay, demux means here 1 is to n. Okay, the short form is what? Demux. And multiple outputs. Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3 till Yn. Okay, these are what? Outputs. Okay, so we can see some more elaboration over this block diagram. This is only one D in. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 dot 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 y n minus 1 y0 y1 y2 y3 y4. Okay, so now this is what? A selector. Okay, so based on the select inputs, S0 S1 S m minus 1 S0 S1 S m minus 1. Okay, so according to this we can go for this. Okay, so now types of demultiplexer. Okay, types of demux, you can say demultiplexer also. What is that? 1 is to 2 demux. Okay, second 1 is to 4 demux. Third is 1 is to 8 demux. Fourth is 1 is to 16 demux. Okay, so in this way, so certain types are there through which we can go with for the demux type. Okay, so let us see with what is 1 is to 2 demux. So 1:2 demux means what? Here I will draw one input, that is what? D in, one output. 1:2 means two output. Okay, Y0 and Y1. One select line, what? S0. Okay, demux. So what will the truth table it will having? Truth table. Enable select lines and output. Two output, Y0 and Y1 and Y0. Okay. E and here S0. Okay. When E is 0, select lines whatever it may be, output will be 0 and 0. E is 1, S is 0, output will be Y0. D in. Okay, because D in is there. E is 1, S is 1. Okay. So here again D in and here 0. Okay, so this is the truth table of 1:2 demux. Okay, so in this way we can perform the 1:4, 1:8 and 1:16 even can go for. Okay, we are not having some demux tree or mux tree in your course, so here we can declare that our unit 2 is finished. Okay, so thank you.